What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a terrific Wednesday. I hope that if you guys invested, you guys are making some money, and I hope that you guys are learning from these videos if you have been watching them. If you haven't been watching them, where have you been? Uh, Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel that I created to do just that, just help people learn how to trade, break down that barrier that trading is difficult. It's really not all that hard. I try to make it simple as possible. I try to explain things in a way that doesn't seem too difficult or too overwhelming, and that is my goal. So if you're a new trader, or just starting out and are interested, I ask that you watch my videos, give me a chance to explain what I do, and hopefully I'll be effective in teaching you how to trade and help you see that it's really not all that difficult. I'm not a financial planner nor a financial advisor, so anything that I discuss here is just my personal opinion. You have to understand that there are many ways to trade, many different strategies, and many different ways of looking at things. I only discuss what has worked for me, so please understand that I can teach you one way, and then somebody else can teach you a totally different way. Everybody has their own style, and that's fine. There is no right way to trade. There is no wrong way to trade. I do have a free chat room through the Discord app. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Please check that out if you want questions answered, if you want to surround yourself with people that are traders and new traders and people that have more experience that can answer your questions and give you some insight as to what they see when they look at a chart. Join that chat room. It's a great way for you to pick my brain and everybody else's brain. I know when I started trading, I didn't really have anybody to talk to. I didn't have anybody that I could go for advice. I didn't have anybody that I can say, hey, look at this chart. What do you see? Is support right here? Is resistance right there? What do you think? Does this look good? So on and so forth. With this chat room, that's what I'm hoping to create, a platform where we can all help each other out and where we can all assist each other and give each other opinion. At the end of the day, though, trading comes down to you. It's you that has to make the decision as far as whether you're going to buy into something or not. The way that I make these videos is I speak about day trading the first half, then I go into swing trading. I do two separate watch lists, day trading and swing trading. Please subscribe and like if you haven't already. I know I'm making this video a little bit earlier than I usually make it because I have somewhere I have to go. And I didn't get a chance to check out swings this afternoon because my internet has been acting up, so we're going to check that at the same time. So let's get into my day trading watch list. Again, this is going to be for March 15th. And the way that I trade, or the way that I day trade, is I do momentum. So I like to trade the pre-market high, post-market high, or intraday high. So basically what I do is I recognize the high point of a stock. I draw my line, which if you wanted to get technical, you could call it a resistance line. And so this one would be at $3.12. And basically what we want to do is we want the price to cross above where our resistance line is with good volume, and that could set it off. This stock is trading very close to that $3.12 line, and this is the post market, so we can't trade this right now. So most likely later tonight, or maybe even while I'm talking, the price will cross $3.12. At that point, we would just adjust our high and keep moving our line until it's ready for the market open. But again, we want high volume, and for that, for our price to cross above that line that we just drew, or that resistance line that we just drew. So that is the first one, YTEN. The next one is SEED. So we're looking at this one, and again, this one's pretty good because it's moving and it's making move. People are buying and selling after the market closed, so that's a very good sign. So the high of the day, very good sign again. It happened after the market closed. So the high of the day was 142, so I would draw my line there. Also keep in mind that you're very close to the 150 resistance line. So for those of you that watch my videos, you know that I always tell you guys that half dollar amounts and whole dollar amounts are a big resistance point. So just keep in mind that if this stock breaks 142, you could see some resistance at 150. As always, we want the price to cross with good volume. That is the key to all of this. That is the gas that makes the stocks go. And please understand that if the stock crosses the line that we drew, or our resistance line, with good volume, it is not a guaranteed thing that the what is going on? It's my HDMI cable. It's not guaranteed that the price is going to shoot up. It could just go up 2, 3, 4 cents and then come down. So just understand that that is a risk that you take when you're investing. You got to have a plan if things don't go your way. So for this one, RUN, we have the high here at $7.66, which occurred right before the market closed. So very good sign. So again, we want the price to cross, good volume, and that could be an indicator for a nice little momentum run. Again, nothing is guaranteed. You got to have a backup plan just in case things don't go your way. MITL is another one. This one has had a pretty good run today. It's uptrend like crazy. So the high of the day, 923, right around there, and you guys know the rest. Price up, cross above resistance, good volume, could be an opportunity to get in. And the last one, LINU. This one, I mean, if you look at this chart, this is a crappy chart. It was doing nothing and then it shot up like crazy from 174 to $2.10. So that's our high. If you see what happened here after 210, it kind of came crashing down. It has a lot of room to make up, but I like it because of these two big candles. If it can start coming back up again, you know, it could be a good one just because of this potential right here. But the way it's looking right now, it's, you know, headed in a downtrend. So you know, keep looking at this one, watch it tomorrow. I mean, it's kind of just hanging around 193, but you know, it doesn't hurt to give it keep an eye on it for tomorrow. So that is day trading. That's my day trading watch list. Now let me go over to swing trading, and we're going to talk about the 3 stocks that I am currently in, and we're going to look at some of the charts that I didn't get to look at because my internet was acting up. So CLDX, I'm still in this stock. I bought in around right here. It went up, it went down, then it shot up, and it came down. So it found resistance at the 20 moving average. So I had my stop right below that, so I haven't gotten stopped out. I'm hoping that it can rebound. As you can see, saw some resistance right here at the 20 average. I mean, I'm sorry, at the 200 average. So it's trading within that channel of the 200 and the 50. TRQ, this is one that keeps on giving. It's been sideways. I got in here on this candle, and this just ripped through all the moving averages. And it found some resistance right here, which is a previous resistance, as you can see right here. So I'm still in this one. I'm hoping eventually it'll break through. It has an earnings call tomorrow after the market closes, so I have my fingers crossed. I was gonna say closed. I have my fingers crossed that it has good earnings, so hopefully it'll just break through that resistance. And at least I'm hoping that it can come up here to that 52-week high, and if anything, just keep going above that. That would be awesome. MRNS, I got this one. I got in right here. This one is all over the place. This one will go up like 5 cents, then come down 5 cents. It's crazy. So right now I'm at 428, which is basically where I bought. But today it was all the way up to $4.44. So this one's kind of weird. I'm not losing any money. I'm breaking even right now, so we'll see what happens with this one. So now let's look at some of the ones that I had checked off before. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, and if I did, I'd be pretty pissed off. WFT, I didn't really like this one, so I don't even know why I had it. I think I was gonna get in this one, but I didn't really like the candle setup. KGC, alright, so I have two support lines. I'm hoping that this one can go down to this next level of support. AIG, alright, this is one that I was watching. So it looks like it's bouncing off of this level of support here, and the candle setup is still not what I want it to be, so maybe I can catch it tomorrow. SSW, damn, this one bounced. This one definitely bounced, and it looks like it saw some resistance at the 20. I wouldn't have gotten in on this one because usually when you see a candle this big and it made 74 cents, you can see a sell-off the next day from people that made a profit. So usually I like a candle to be, you know, a decent sized green candle, but not something this big, because most likely people will sell off tomorrow to cash in their profits. SSW, BBG, alright. So I'm waiting for this one to hopefully come back to support. MUX, I was gonna get in this one, I think last week. I think on this candle right here, but I didn't. It didn't complete my order. So I just wanted to come back down to support and maybe get in there. BLDP, waiting for it to come back to support. BIOS, want this one coming down to support. MEET, this one is right at support, so if we see a green candle tomorrow, maybe I could get in. Alright, TELL, this one fell a little bit below support, and it made new lows a couple days ago of 804. Let's see if I need to move my support line. Nah, we're about good. So I'll be watching this one. It's a green day today, but it's not the preferred candle setup that I like to see. So I'll keep watching that one. And I believe that's all that I have. Yep. So let me check the chat room. I sent a message a little while ago into the chat room if anybody had any questions or any stocks people wanted me to check out, and let me know. I have nothing there. Let me check out. Whoops. Let me check out JCPenney, because I know Ash in the chat room was trading it. So let me just take a look here and see what I find. Oh man, yeah. So it took a little dip today. I would have my support probably around here. So for my liking, I mean, Ash, I know you're in it already. Right around there. So for me, for my liking, I would want it to come down a little bit more. If you're in it already, I think you bought in here. So good luck. But for my style, again, I always tell you guys that my style doesn't mean that that's how you have to do it. I just give you my insight, and my way is not the be all end all. This is just my style. For me, I want it to come down a little bit more, a little closer to that support, and then maybe see a green candle before I get in. Alright, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you show love. Make sure you support the channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I'm like 7 or 8 subscribers away. Please make that happen. Thank you to everybody that's supporting this channel. Check out the chat room if you haven't done so already. Make sure you join that, and feel free to ask any questions. We don't judge in there. We don't, talk down to people. We're just there trying to help everybody out and trying to lead you guys or point you guys in the right direction and help in any way that we can. But again, like I said, at the end of the day, it's you guys that have to make a choice as to when to buy, when to sell, what to buy, and what to sell. I personally, I'll never tell you what you should buy or what you should sell. I try to give you guys the tools and empower you to be able to make those hard decisions on your own with enough material for you to be able to identify those setups. Alright guys, I'm done talking. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow.